Hi guys, this is Tim Queen and today we're going to talk about the best content formats for social media networks in 2019. Now you might wonder, what is a content format? Content format is basically a form that can be published on the social media network. For example, you might have a text-only post where you're just writing some text. You might have a post where you can attach an image or attach a video. Then you have like text, photos, videos. Some platforms have the ability to attach documents, PowerPoint presentation, Word document, PDF documents. Then you have other types of content. For example, on Instagram, you have boomerangs, you have stories that you can share. You might have an IGTV video. Mostly the content format that is the newest on the platform will get slightly better performance than old content formats. It's because publishing platforms like Instagram or Facebook or LinkedIn, they want to push those content formats to people, learning them so they get some test data really quickly. And the best way they can do this by motivating people is giving them more organic reach. Depending on how those tests develop and how much this is affecting platform time, how much time people are spending on the platform, they might not get the results they want. And they might just cut down and say like, yeah, this content type is too much. People complaining about it, or people spending less time on our platform, meaning our ad revenue is going down, and they're going to cut this down. So like, yeah, let's cut down the videos like a little bit so we get more overall time on the platform to get more overall profit. Now here are a couple of formats that you're going to see like more frequently in 2019 across all the different platforms. You're going to see more vertical video, like Instagram stories, Snapchat, and IGTV have already implemented this. You're going to see that other platforms like giving them more priority, that it looks better on Facebook, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, on all the different platforms. You're going to see a lot of live streaming video, going to be on every single platform. You're going to see more audio as well. Maybe at some point we're going to have like a podcasting file that you can share like natively without the need to convert like an audio file into a video. You're going to see a lot more similar content types for reactions. You're going to see emojis that people can reply with voice messages or reply with a video message. There's a lot of copy and paste going on between the different platforms where everyone is copying from each other. So those are like the most important content types that you're going to see across all the different platforms in 2019. Let me know in the comments below what's your favorite content type, and make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell on to get more video updates when I release a new video.